In this video, I'm going to talk about our eye restore. Hi, my name is Elizabeth Steffen from elizabethsteffen.com, and I'm a licensed esthetician, and I'm also over the age of 40, which this product is very good for. The eye restore is an eye cream that has a very small dose of glycolic and lactic acid. So it is going to help smooth out the fine lines under the eyes. And also, if you're prone to maybe having some cholesterol deposits under there or just some rough skin under the eyes, this is excellent for gently exfoliating that skin so it will be smoother over time. Now, if you do have very sensitive under eye area, this product might be a little strong for you. Now, for me personally, I do have very sensitive skin. I can use this product. I can't use it every day, but I can use it a couple times a week. And it has been excellent product for keeping my fine lines and wrinkles at bay. Again, my name is Elizabeth Steffen from elizabethsteffen.com, and this is the Eye Restore.